Welcome to this presentation on how to write MLA referencing. Avoid these common mistakes in your dissertation. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
MLA referencing is one of the most commonly used citation styles in academic writing, particularly in the humanities. The system uses a simple in-text citation format that includes the author's last name and the page number of the source. For example, you might cite a book as Smith 23. This approach helps keep the reader focused on the content while still giving proper credit to original authors. Unlike other citation styles that use footnotes or endnotes, MLA keeps citations in the body of the text. The final section of your dissertation should include a Works Cited page that lists all the references used, in alphabetical order. Mastering MLA formatting helps you build academic credibility, avoid plagiarism, and enhance the overall quality of your work. Need help in this assignment? Visit our website or chat us on WhatsApp link given in comment sections. Many students lose marks due to avoidable referencing mistakes. One of the most common errors is missing or incorrect in-text citations. Every time you quote, paraphrase, or refer to someone else's work, it must be cited properly. Another frequent mistake is improper formatting of the Works Cited page. This should follow a strict alphabetical format with hanging indents. MLA does not typically use footnotes for references, so including them can lead to confusion and grade deductions. Students also forget to adjust citations when they paraphrase, assuming it's not needed. This is incorrect. Paraphrased ideas still require citation. Understanding these common pitfalls and double-checking your references can improve your academic integrity and boost your overall grade. Mastering MLA referencing is about consistency, accuracy, and practice. Tools like Zotero, Mendeley, or Scribber can save time and reduce errors by auto-generating citations. However, these tools are not foolproof. Always cross-check with the latest MLA handbook, currently the 9th edition. Creating your own citation checklist can help you remember all essential elements, such as hanging indents, italicizing titles, and alphabetizing the Works Cited page. Reviewing dissertations that scored high marks in your field can also provide practical insight into proper citation and formatting. These strategies will not only improve your referencing, but also your confidence and efficiency when working on long-form academic projects. Quality referencing begins from the moment you start your research. Keep a digital or physical log of every source you consider using. Use MLA-compliant templates or official Purdue OWL guides to maintain consistency. Paraphrasing is an essential academic skill, but many students either plagiarize unintentionally or forget to cite properly. Practice paraphrasing techniques and make sure every idea that's not your own is clearly attributed. Lastly, proofreading is critical. Typos in author names, incorrect page numbers, or formatting errors can cost marks. Set time aside to proofread just your citations before final submission. These small steps can lead to a high-grade dissertation that demonstrates both attention to detail and academic integrity. Before submitting your dissertation, go through a final checklist specifically for referencing. First, ensure that every in-text citation has a corresponding entry in the Works Cited list, and vice versa. Inconsistent or missing entries are a common cause of lost marks. Next, review formatting across the entire document, from fonts to indentation. Many universities provide writing support services. Take advantage of them if you're unsure about citation rules. Finally, always run your work through a plagiarism checker like Turnitin or Grammarly to ensure originality. This step is essential, even if you believe you've cited everything correctly. Following this checklist will help you submit a dissertation with full confidence in its academic rigor and referencing quality.